Hey there! Welcome to Appmaker FAQ series. Today we are going to discuss the frequently asked questions about the plugin integrations in Appmaker. Let's kickstart with the most frequently asked question. Question: what is a plugin on a website? A plugin is a piece of software that adds new features or extends functionality on an existing application. Plugins are mostly used on websites that are built with content management systems and serve many useful purposes, such as adding features and functionalities. Question: how many plugins is too many? Too many plugins can lead to security breaches on your site crashes, bad performance, slow loading speeds, and more. A good rule of thumb is to never exceed 20 plugins. If your site is hosted on shared or budget cloud hosting, try not to use more than 5 plugins. Question: how do I install a plugin in my WooCommerce store? You can easily install a plugin in a few simple steps. 1. First, search and download the plugin. It will create a zip file or archive to send to your computer. 2. Next, log into your WordPress admin site and go to the plugin section. 3. Click on Upload and select the zip file. WordPress will unpack everything and put files in the right place. 4. Activate the plugin. 5. Go back to your WordPress admin menu, scroll down, and look for the plugin settings. Make sure the default settings are correct, and make any changes and additions. Question: does Appmaker support third-party plugins? Appmaker supports more than 3,000 third-party plugins from the WooCommerce ecosystem. Here is the list of plugins supported by Appmaker. Click on the link in the description to know about supported plugins. Question: is your platform compatible with WCFM driver add-on? Yes, Appmaker.xyz is compatible with WCFM. You can check the features here at link in the description on WCFM. Question: should I limit the number of plugins? Plugins give you endless flexibility. However, this doesn't mean that you should install all of them. Plugins may impact your website speed by sending additional HTTP requests, adding database queries, taking up hosting resources. Therefore, in order to tackle these issues, choose plugins that serve multiple functions, check reviews for information about speed, make sure that they're regularly updated, and install options from reliable sources. Thank you for tuning in.